right, so we're making a raspberry jam whiskey sour that Chris McNally had on his Instagram account.
One of my favorite actors.
He's one of my favorite actors. And I know nothing about drinking, so Eddie's here.
This is a Chris McNally cocktail that we're going to create.
All right, and it has raspberry jam in it, and I love raspberry jam. So.
And I made the raspberry jam last year.
He did, so.
It's delicious.
This is all that's left over. It's not seedless, but that's okay. Next time you'll make it seedless.
I will. I got my chamoy thing. What's it called, Cody? The chamoy, the grindy thing. Chamois.
God, you made it Polish or something.
Yes,
All right.
it's chamois.
French.
I think it's chinois.
It's chinois.
Chinois. Okay.
Chinois?
So we don't have real fancy glasses. He has a ghost glass, so when the drink's in there, it looks like it's not there. They're a little spotty. You were supposed to clean them.
No, you said in this ghost glass, I can see. If it was a ghost glass, we had a discussion about this. Ghost glass should be invisible.
All right, so here we go. So you have to have 2 ounces of rye, so.
This is about 2 ounces.
Okay, there you go. And then you have to have.
We have, what do we have here? Jack Daniel's Rye Tennessee Straight Whiskey.
Well, he said that it should be Rittenhouse rye.
I
Shut
can
up.
explode drinking this.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And then you have to have 1 ounce of lemon and 1 ounce of fresh egg white. So these come from his cousin's farm.
My Aunt Marlene. Hi, Aunt Marlene.
They're from your farm.
Yes. Right down the street. I hooked her up with my chicken people.
Yes, yes. And then we have to have 0.5 ounces of cherry liqueur.
Point.
This looks like medicine, doesn't it?
Oh,
Look
actually,
like...
yeah. Give me it's Vita Vita Metamin.
No, but it's awesome.
It's
I
made
know.
from Vita Meta veggies.
Is it? No,
tastes
it's
like
not.
candy.
It's 0.25 ounces of a simple syrup, which I made, which is over here. And then we have to have a 1 generous...
What's this?
That's a shaker, so...
Looks like a fleshlight.
I know. So it has a strainer in it, but we have a strainer too in the sink.
A strainer too? So
Yeah.
we got a strainer 1 and a strainer 2.
Yeah, I meant T-O-O.
This
And-
squeaking, by the way, is my dog playing with a toy.
And then this is the bar spoon. It has to be a generous bar spoon of the jam. Then we have to dry shake it, and we learned that dry shaking is because of the egg white, right?
Yes.
So it
No.
helps.
Yes. It helps emulsify.
Yes.
No ice.
Right. We know it's no ice,
It's
but it's
no
to help
ice.
the egg white. And then we can add the ice and shake it
It's
and double
dry
strain.
shake.
All right, come on, go. Let's go.
Okay, so I guess we're not going to need ice right now. So,
Yeah, what do you
all right,
measure?
so 2 ounces of rye.
Right.
So, do you have a jigger?
Well, this thing measures it. You can't use that.
Okay, that's great. Do you have a jigger?
What's a jigger?
A jigger. It's a little like a little measuring glass. They're
Ow.
called jiggers.
I know, and I do, but I don't know where it is. So I can use that. It has the.
Well, I can free pour it.
Well, it tells the 2 ounce on there.
Where does it say 2 ounces?
It has it on the middle. You gotta read it.
That's
See?
right. 2 ounces right there.
No, it's not.
That's what it says right here too.
No, it doesn't. I'm leaving that up to you. You make it, however.
Maybe it was 12.
Okay.
Don't you be shaking your head at me back there.
How long have you two been together?
175 years.
It's been a very long time.
It's been a very, very long time.
We're going on 12 years.
Really? Wow.
Don't go by him, because 1 year he had the whole year wrong. We were together a whole year longer than he thought he was. We were doing traditional wedding stuff, and he's giving me all the wrong information for all the wrong years and all the wrong dates. All right, so 2
It all
ounces.
just blended together after a while.
Yeah. All right, so since I don't have a jigger, by the way, is 1.5 ounces.
Okay. And I do know that, but I don't have it. I don't know where it is. It's in my
Well, you are
office
a
in a
huge
box.
drinker.
I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lush. All right, so we got 2 ounces of rye.
Okay, and then we need 1 ounce of lemon.
1 ounces of lemon. So whenever you're going to do your lemon, you just want to give it a little roll. It helps it squeeze better.
Let's just buy lemon juice.
Because it said it had to be fresh lemon.
Well, fresh lemon is better, but if you're making like certain cooking items, it's better to buy lemon juice. Did you know that?
No, I
Because the
didn't.
pH is balanced better.
Oh, well, I didn't
And
know
also, sometimes they say throw the lemon into the microwave for like 10
yeah,
seconds
and
because it helps
get
it
juicy.
juice.
But I don't have a microwave because I don't believe in them.
They exist.
I know, but
Is this going to be like your thing about dinosaurs?
No.
You know, we went to go see.
aliens.
We went to go see Jurassic Park, and Roxanne
Oh,
refused to
I'm
go
sorry.
see it because she refused to go see a movie that exploited dinosaurs. So she refused to go see it. Yet she had her big old gas guzzler station wagon that was longer than a tractor trailer that she was constantly filling up with Ethel.
That wasn't my car. It was my parents' car.
All right. So we cut this in half. You don't have a lemon juicer, do you?
I do.
Can I have it?
Yeah, but instead you're just gonna do that. You're gonna do the trick. Oh, where the heck is the fork? Oh, here with this. You're just gonna put it in
Well,
there and go
let me
up
just
and
double
down.
wash my hands just to make
And
sure.
they're in this in the dishwasher behind you, clean.
A lemon juicer does not make a mess.
You put it inside there and run it back and forth, and you work. Go ahead, do it.
What about the seeds?
You're gonna double straighten it anyway. So what's the difference? Why don't you use the fork to go back and forth?
Fork you.
I
I'm
got
doing
it
it
all
this way.
Put
over.
soup over your hand too.
What's that? No, I rinsed it off. Where?
Oh,
There.
okay.
Oh, did I miss?
Yeah, you did a
Oh,
little
did I miss
bit.
again when I looked this way? Okay,
All
that's
right.
me about. How
When
much was
Chris
it?
makes his drinks, he just does it like that too. He's
Yeah,
a
okay,
little
so
on the sloppy
1
side.
ounce of
egg
egg
white.
white.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let me
Here.
go.
You know how to do it?
That's a blue egg. That's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have all different color eggs.
Depending upon the color
Like
of the
blue
chicken.
and green.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
How'd they taste, by the way?
Excellent.
They're really, really good.
I love them.
Just when she got chickens for Easter one or something. I don't know if there's chickens. Those chickens were falling
Here,
around.
Rest
Oh,
right in
yeah,
the sink.
The
My
rooster
sister
was
has
not.
them.
I would call the rooster.
Oh, wait, here, hold on.
Damn, they would come right up to you. Yeah, my dog.
All right, so I really don't know how much 1 ounce of egg white is. I think it's,
Make
it's probably about
egg
half
white
of this.
Is 0.75 ounces.
So you need one.
So we just need one.
Yeah.
All right, one's enough. That comes from someone who is a professional chef.
Yes, that is Cody, the professional chef back there.
Yes. Okay. All right, Chris. I hope we're doing you justice.
All right. So yes, so
0.5
once again,
ounces of
we're making
cherry.
a recipe by one of my favorite actors, Chris McNally.
Chris McNally.
McNally.
It's McNally. Stop.
All right, so we need 0.5 ounces of Chevy.
Yeah, some cherry liqueur right here.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to hand measure this also.
Why couldn't you put that in there and then you're using that as the measurement thing and then you shake in there? Okay, don't.
Can you smell the cherry? Actually, I can smell the cherry.
Yeah.
Can you smell the cherry?
From there? Yeah.
Sorry, have it.
It's from there.
You want to taste it?
No. All right.
You taste first.
How did you meet?
A mutual friend of ours.
I got drunk and I fell in a bathroom, cracked my head open, got 16 stitches.
That's really true story.
Had a trauma for like 2 weeks, couldn't walk, and I woke up in a relationship.
It's really very good, actually.
We used to hang out a lot.
Wow, that is really
It's really good. It's excellent, actually.
Yeah, it is. It's right when Joe and I used to go around town and,
I was paying our
All right,
tab.
she's a teacher now. Come on.
and give this to the homeless. Oh, I didn't put that in here.
Yeah.
That's how he
Yeah.
hit his head.
So let's say half ounce. Let's say that's good.
It's a point 0.25, but whatever.
Oh,
Oh, no,
no,
0.5,
that's-
0.5.
All right, 2
simple-
ounces of simple syrup.
Point
I had a
0.25.
concussion, so I couldn't let him stay home by himself.
So that'd be half as much. We don't want to make it too sweet.
Yeah. That was delicious, though. The cherry liqueur was really good.
It was-
He said to use hearing cherry liqueur. I couldn't find that, so we used that, and that's really
Well,
good.
you know what? It is a.
It's a brand, Karen.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says intense cherry liqueur, so it's
Yeah,
a liqueur.
it's
so
excellent. That's what he says, be a cherry liqueur, so
yeah,
it's fine.
it's like a
Just
15%
different brand.
alcohol, so yeah, it
Well,
doesn't
it
have
tastes
too much
good
of a
in
kick.
the
All right,
All right.
and the lime is not for this. And then,
A bassoon.
1 bar spoon, generous
Oh.
bar spoon of this. The homemade jam that he made, raspberry jam.
You really made that?
He left
Yeah.
the seeds in.
Oh yeah, my own
But
chamois.
next time, no, it's not a chamois.
We didn't have a chinois.
I
A
didn't have a
chamois.
chamois.
I'm sorry, chamois. That's an awfully big general.
That's alright. I like that's the part that I like. All right, then we have to dry shake.
All right, so you can
Do you
this.
really think that the egg white is going to go to the top? Because that's what it did in his.
It's supposed to emulsify. It
And it
should.
floats
Yeah, it's
in the
lighter.
top.
It'll be fluffy.
All right, okay.
Everything's in. Oh, you know what? It's got to go in here.
Yeah, you got to shake
Oh,
it.
she just poured the stuff in here.
That's what I was trying to say. And using that as the measuring and pouring in there.
What
He's
is-
supposed to.
What is that?
That's the
that the-
lemon. It's from the lemon.
He shows out the egg. What? Look at that. What is that?
Oh, what did you
Not a baby chicken, is it?
I don't know. It's not a baby. Did it cook the egg?
Yeah, go put
Well,
it in.
it's
It's
starting.
starting to, so go put it in.
All right.
Oh my God, we're going to get poisoned.
No,
Oh,
it's
that
because
looks
it's-
really bad.
What is that?
It looks like snot.
What is it? Oh, it's the jam in there. Okay.
Yeah, that. Mmm.
Shake it. And then we have to put ice in it.
How long did it say to shake it?
I don't know. He didn't say. He
Till it
just said
emulsify.
shake.
All right. So, did he say how long to shake it?
It's not. It doesn't look anything like what we had to do. Because his was all colored and the foam was at the top.
Well, it looks like it's emulsifying.
Yeah, but his is like drink and then foam at the
You
top.
probably stopped the video 50 times.
No.
Come on, Rob.
I
All right, let's put it in the ice. Oh yeah, look. How's it smell?
Smells good.
Well, look, it's separating.
Oh, okay.
Shouldn't you have strained it first?
No, you double strain it after the ice. You shake it again and then double strain
How do
it.
you double strain something? You got to strain it to a glass and strain it again?
Yes.
Is this served on the rocks or up?
I don't know. I think, no rocks.
Well, why don't you go get that video from Jerry McNally and we'll look at it.
What about Jerry? What's that?
It's Chris McNally! Poor Chris.
You're thinking of Jerry.
Chris, I love you. We'll tag you in the video.
Oh my God.
McGuire, maybe you're thinking.
Yeah, I don't know what he's thinking. All right. Now you have to double strain it. There's a strainer right there. Oh, it's cold. And now you can
Really? That's why I did that.
put it in here.
I don't get this double strain.
Just strain it in there.
Well, you can strain it at the
Put
same
it in
time.
there. Or you could put it back in here.
You could have strained it twice at the same time.
That's true, we could have. And then we're going to strain it again. You have to double strain
He
it.
probably just wanted more airtime on this video.
He didn't make a video, it was just a picture.
Then how do you know that he made it this way?
Because he has the recipe written down.
I told you that was. He didn't do it. Somebody else.
No, he did it. He's a mixologist. That's actually what he does. He's done others on camera, but just not this one.
All right. We got to let it settle.
This
It's
is what
got
he
no
did for
head.
10 years, remember?
It's got no head on it.
I know. Let's see. Leave it there and let's see. His had like a lot.
I mean, we can try to do it again, but I don't.
No, I don't want to try to do it again. It's just us trying
Like
it.
over-
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh yeah, it's pretty.
Leave it. Put it down and let it settle, and then we'll try it.
That's what this one.
Oh, this is. Oh wait, actually, that has a lot of foam.
That's it. Look at that's how his looked. That's funny.
Oh, maybe. Oh, this already. Maybe that's what he means by double straining. We got to strain all the foam off of it now.
No, that's just water.
No, the foam is not coming out. The foam is in there. Oh well.
We'll just dump it all out.
Then what's the purpose of straining it?
I know. After we strain it, now it's all in there.
That's
Oh.
all right. It's all one of them.
There,
Oh
now
my
it's
God.
got some foamy head.
It does.
Squeaky.
It
Yeah, it
does.
has ice in it too.
Yes. I want
Yeah.
to take a picture of it.
Well, I could put the. Well, if you don't want the ice in here, I'll strain it out.
In other words, it's nothing like.
Jerry
Like
McGuire's.
it's nothing like your drink, Chris.
I call him Jerry too. You're straining all the alcohol out.
Oh no.
All right. Now tell me how it tastes. Can I taste it? Oh, it's foamy. Here, let's go up close.
Put a little. Oh, I got iced tea in
Give me
here. I
that.
just want to taste it.
Come here.
It doesn't look the same, but that's okay.
Here, put some in there and taste it. Just
Here, I got our official taste tester right here.
Try it.
Doug Barkley, you want to smell?
No, Doug.
What's the pawpaw got?
What's
Yeah,
this?
all right. Down you go.
It's really good.
I tasted the whiskey.
No, it's really delicious.
Well, maybe because I poured it in a nice tea glass.
It's got the lemon and oranges in it. It's alright.
It's good. He's put more of the
I think it needs more. I don't taste the cherry. That's why I said.
I
taste
do.
the egg.
And the jam. I don't taste the egg, and the jam was good.
I don't taste the
I hope I
jam
don't
either.
taste the egg.
The jam was all like, I mean, the egg was all foamy on it. All right, Chris, we'll have to try this again, but this is our first try for tonight. That's
No,
it.
I can taste the egg.
I don't taste the egg.
I can taste the egg. Don't you roll your eyes at me. I can taste the egg.
So, Chris, I'm sure we made many mistakes trying to put that drink together, and we'll try again. I have to tell you though, it tastes good. Didn't look anything like what you had. And my favorite part, of course, was the generous bar spoon of the raspberry jam. That was my favorite part. That was a lot of jam, but it was good. All right. Have a good night. Bye.